Hi, this is a short overview video showing our compact battery powered wireless keypad for use with the full range of wireless smart alarms. These keypads are popular in applications where multiple users are needing to control the alarm, or for where using a remote control is impractical. Being battery powered and wireless means it's very easy and quick to install in the best possible location without having to worry about cables or power supplies. This also allows you to install the main control panel into the most sensible and easy to install location. You can carry out 5 functions with this wireless keypad: 1 full arm, 2 home arm, 3 disarm, 4 alert on or off, and 5 panic activation. Powered by 2 3-volt lithium coin batteries which will last up to 3 years in normal operation, the wireless range of the keypad is 100 meters line of sight back to the control panel. Thank you for watching this video from Ultra Secure Limited.